for the
This
entity.
conference will now be recorded.
So,
Okay, yeah,
hello. Yeah.
yeah, tell.
So overall, I have the experience of the 4 years, but first 2 years I have worked as a BPO customer relation officer. After that, I moved to the technology where I work as a desktop support in Cognizant, and after that, I moved to the service desk in entity. So I just want to enhance my skill, and I want to move to the SAP technology. So
It's
that's
like,
that's
you
why
have any idea
I'm
for
looking for
SAP
the
technology?
SAP base.
Yeah, okay. You have
Yeah,
any
just now
idea for
I have the overview. Just now I
just
have
now
the
you work in
overview.
SAP?
Uh, yeah, but
What?
I'm completely new to this technology.
That's okay. That's first thing. Okay, that's okay. And you know what? Why you want to select SAP basis? Second thing.
Yeah, means actually I want to move new technology, and SAP basis is something is related to my networking, means just some
What
administration.
the
Oh,
service? Yeah, service and networking. You're working in purely.
not purely networking. It is like server side administration. Like
Like what type of servers you're working? A Windows server, Linux server. What is the servers you're working?
it's a Windows.
A Windows server.
Windows, but it is a L1, means not that much high. Just we
Like
do, yeah, we have the read-only access to the AD, and we
okay,
will do the, yeah, we will do small troubleshooting steps, all those things.
okay, it's okay. Means you know what is SAP? Just okay. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, yeah. Now coming to here. So coming to message, so message here stated here. So I totally so 9 years is plus you have expert teaching as a SAP
Okay.
security GRC with HANA. So currently I'm working in a essential for last 4 years I'm working in a senior HANA architect for essential.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sorry for disturbing. Just one more thing.
yeah.
Means actually my plan is when I go through the overview of that SAP, I just want to do the SAP HANA, but before that, I thought that first I will do the SAP basis and I will get the just knowledge of the SAP. After that, we can do the HANA. That's like that. I have
Yeah,
planned
that is
actually.
so that is only. So here, first of all, I'd say that we want to learning as SAP HANA administration. Actually, the life cycle of SAP is when introducing as SAP, you have only an at 1972 introducing it, only you have basis module is there. After that, at
Okay.
1990 onwards, the basis module is dividing into the two modules. I think
Okay.
you understand what is meaning of module.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So again here, again the basis perspective. So suppose I want to go for my career as purely basis consultant. You have to go for first of all basis. After that, net viewer. After that, you have to go for solo man. After that, you had solution manager. That is after that you have to go for HANA administration. This is the life
Okay.
cycle administration basis consultant life cycle. But nowadays, what happened? Everybody was the network is no network and solution nobody using directly. You have to go for basis with HANA administration. A combination because you have to put in some experience the product related. Those are asking at least so even because it's new for this, so it is in 2015 only.
Okay.
That's why those are putting as a experience side, and I must say those are following this process for running market outside market. Suppose I want to go for a security consultant, maybe you were joining to company places. Suppose the price like a thing as a like a bench means by 3 months, 4 months bench is that the basis there is no price. What happened to the security because it's related only. Like again, and they
Okay.
have ECC security, BW security, BN security, HR security, and GRC security, and CRM security, SRM security, portal security.
Okay.
With advanced is either you have to go for GRC 10.5.3, 10.0, 10.1. This is the 2006 is advanced. Ilals is a booming only day. Even suppose
Okay.
now very hard is hard technology. SAP HANA security with the Fairy security. This is so. This is the life cycle. So if you want to learning this more model perfect is you are an architect.
Okay.
Any four modules you like 4 or 5 modules you are perfect in that working on that. So you're getting the position that is called as an architect.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Yeah.
So you get those things. So that's the major thing. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Sure.
So now coming to here. So already and coming to here, sir, in this training, what are the tasks you have to majorly perform is nothing, right? So you have to plan for majorly real time learning with the project level. So you know what how many types of projects is available. So totally in SAP you have totally so three types of projects is available. That is first one is a implementation project, and second one is a support project, and next one is a upgradation project and migration project. So these are the projects is available in SAP. Okay.
Okay.
And coming to
Okay.
implementation project. So what is meaning of implementation projects is nothing but here. So in implementation project, what those are doing, the projects guys are is and configuration. Means the project starting means the project planning up to starting installation till the project is go for go live
Okay.
market. So in between what are the things you say? So you're doing as a creation, configuration, customization, development, designing, user maintenance, backup, recovery, restoring, okay, reanalysis, okay, and client maintenance, transportations, upgradation, installation. This overall basis you have to perform.
Okay.
That is going with the only implementation, guys. So under implementation only, you're getting as
Okay.
a after this consultant, you're getting as a 100% subset on this because of we're getting as a hands-on experience for installation, everything. I think just discuss. You say just need to. So I'm asking like you're working in Windows Server administration. You say I have only read-only access. Why you have this? Because you're working as support project,
Yes.
not for implementation.
Yes.
So
Yes.
because
Okay.
of support means you have only read. You don't know anything. Who are installing and what the configuration. Those are provide the KT. Those are providing joining the company. Those are providing KT. But you don't. When you're seeing
Okay.
and when you're doing, it's very too much difficult. Too much difference is there. Suppose you're doing is nothing but so you have to memorize for 10 years, 20 years. But your reading is nothing but today you're reading, after 1 month you'll forget that.
Yes.
That is a meaning. So that is you're providing for implementation. Support is I think what is the meaning of support provide? Just maintain the
Actually, yeah, maintenance.
changes as per the business requirement. Daily
Yeah.
same issue, same tasks. You don't have any upgradation for skills. Okay, like upgradation and migration is
Yes.
the at the time you're getting as a like you have to like migration. So at the time what happened you're getting as a more than that knowledge. Like you're getting as a so around 60% on this. So here I say I'm sure for 20%. Even if you're switching the company or NSL, suppose one guy is putting as a resume, he's doing as a two implementation project. Okay, but one guy is putting as a
Okay.
another guy is putting as more than 12 support price is work. Then which resume is shortlisted is that this guy resume is shortlisted. Because of client experting as a multitasking purpose, not for single. He's doing only reading means nothing is happening. Not the same. But if you want getting some other issues, how are you getting the issues? Or if you do implement it, how you can implement it. For example, now your company is using SAP basis. Now 2015, what happened? HANA is came into picture. Then who are implementing HANA? This is guy only implemented. So I
Yeah.
don't. So you can say, sir, I'm working on only support provide. I don't have implementation. And what happened? Those are recruiting some other people.
Those.
And if you want to getting
Yes.
as a professional also is not given. This is the situation. Okay, so that's why what happened in this training, what we providing. So you are providing as a majorly are focusing as implementation project with the support level experience also.
Okay.
Okay, in implementation projects, what are the basic concept rules and responsibilities are there? Sir, I'm working on an XYZ organization. In my organization, what happened? There is no SAP. Those are starting implementing SAP in our organization. Okay, so those are what happened. Those are
Okay.
installing. Those are plan for maintaining SAP. At that time,
Yes.
as an administrator, our first responsibilities. What is our responsibilities? Even your company, just now is a startup company. So you are working in Windows Server administrator. So first of all, why you want to select this Windows Server? Why go for Linux server? Why go for Unix server?
Yeah, as per the infrastructure, how yeah we
Okay,
design.
infrastructure. There is also first of all before infrastructure, what happened? So license backup. I think
Yeah,
compared
we
to
need to.
Linux, Windows, which is the most secureable. Linux is the most secureable. Okay,
Yes,
application is easiest one, easy hackable is Windows. But why is taking this Windows server? Because of his sorry, is
yeah, just
user
for
friendly.
user.
First of all, user
Yeah,
friendly and the license cost is very cheap. Okay, here means
yes.
here also as administrator, first responsibility is if you want to know the license cost of the SAP software. As an administrator, first responsibility is you want to learning as a license cost. Okay, then I want to know the license. What is the next
Okay.
step? Then you can do installation. Before installation, again here in SAP, every software have two versions is there. IDS is there, non-IDS. You can say simply dummy versions and crack versions.
Yes.
Okay. When you go for as a non-IDS is nothing but licensed version. So you can do project, you can choose licensed version. So what is the difference between the IDS and non-IDS? That is also if you want to know that. Okay, for example,
Yeah.
so now I'm using as a so-and-so operating system. This is the licensed version or a crack version. So how you know that? Sir, go for
Yeah.
control panel and check the license key. License key is there, it's a license. Even if you download Google also license key is there. So how to identify based on the future software?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Suppose same thing
Okay.
here is an organization. What happened? Microsoft will came into your company, ban the overall system. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. After that, what is next? Okay, you have to buying his own license. Is what is next one? Installation. So, as an administrator, if you don't know installation of tools or SAP, is best up to learning as an administration because of everything dependent hands-on. Okay, as an
Yes.
administration, you compulsory hands-on installation. Again, SAP is very costliest SAP compared to remaining all SAP is very costliest. So then only can learning as a so here you can discussing as a pre-installation step. Okay, so installations. Okay, and post
Yeah.
installation. So everything you have to discuss in this. And even as told now, so you have to providing
Yeah.
the license to SAP software also. So that is around 18 GB is there because I had already told now you should be compulsory learning as a hands-on experience of installation. Only implementation guys are
Okay.
doing the installation. So let's see the software size. So how much software size is it? Front end is SAP, back end is Oracle database.
Yeah.
Out of stage totally 18. So now I want to this is only software size.
18.2. Yeah.
Now I had installing as a this software in our organization. How much hardware configuration is required? Okay, how much RAM and how much hard disk is
Mm.
required? That's hardware configuration. Okay, next how much RAM is required, how much chip utilization is going, what is the network
Mm.
bandwidth is there. So everything you get it. So this topic you can call it as a what
Okay.
we call you can call it as a sizing. So you do the manual
Mm.
sizing is nothing but no. We old methods you're using the sizing, but nowadays you're using a tool also there. That is SAP by default. That is called as a quick sizer. What is it? Tool? Quick sizer
Okay.
is provided. Okay. After that,
Okay.
so after that, what happened? Okay, okay. Now again, I want to checking as a what type of product I'm installing. Suppose I had installing as a NetViewer. Suppose I want installing a solution manager. Suppose I had installing as a HANA. So this is called you're checking as a PAM means that the product availability matrix. So here what we're checking what type of product you're
Okay.
installing. This product said what type of operating system will be support. For example, HANA is there. HANA is supporting only for Linux servers. Is not supporting this
Okay.
Windows. Suppose now I'm downloading Windows is best happening. So that's why what
Okay.
happened? You're checking as what type of operating system, what type of database is supporting. Okay, what type of
Mm-hmm.
browsers will be supporting. Okay, what type of language is also supporting. This is a major issue. Client is major issue. So that is everything checking as a app. After that, you have to preparing as a media list. So during as a SAP software installation, what type of media is required. So that is also you have to preparing one by one.
Okay.
Okay. So after that, you have to go for as a starting as a installation. Okay. So the installation is taking as a more than 5 to 4 to 5 hours based on development. After that, you can start it as a post installation. So as a post installation, first responsibilities. So you have to do it as an administrator. You want to log on to some standard credentials, standard user IDs. So you want to creating as a user ID for remaining all modules. I think you know modules. Like what are the modules is a like ABAP, MM, SD, those guys are you want to as
Yeah.
you are an administrator, you have to provide a user ID for remaining all. So like here under you
Mm,
can discussing as a how we can create the users, how we can provide the privilegizations, and how to get the restrictions, everything that you can say the user administration. So after that, sir, you're working in a so organization, you're working in under so client also. Then you can perform as a client administration. Under you discussing as a so during as a implementation part, how many servers is required? So you require three servers like a development, quality, and production. So how we can install it? So you're installing three times SAP software installation because you require three
okay.
servers. So development is for customization, quality for testing, and production is the live data. Okay, so that's why
Okay.
this one because it's most important topic. That's why you had what we do. You have to providing as a implemented strategy also. Even user administration, landscape information.
Mm,
You have to providing as a one real time implementation with the real time project you are providing for this.
okay.
Okay, this is see here SAP implement.
Yeah. What is the roles and
Yeah, roles and documentation. This is only for roles. How we can pick our roles, finance roles. How we can create this documentation. So based on this, you can call a case study. Again, landscape information and start posters during his implementation. So how the landscape you can set it, what are the clients is there, so how the sandbox is there, implementation. Like total see how many pages is there, total 41 pages is there. So how you can provide everything you have
yeah.
to by that class. Because if you know the infrastructure landscape, now you can identify. Okay, after that now, sir, I
Okay.
want to move the data
Uh,
from yeah, tell me, tell me.
yeah. User administration means we will handle all user means once we log into the SAP as an admin. So we will
Yeah, as an
handle
administrator, you
user
have to
queries,
log
right?
in. You have to create a user ID for remaining all. Suppose in project around 300 members is there. With 300 members, you have to
Hmm.
provide the credentials from them. For example, if you
Okay.
are administrator, like any employee join your, any employees will be joining your organization as administrator. What will do? You have to provide as a OIS credentials from everyone,
Yeah.
like
Yes.
your
We will create
manager, your
OU and everything.
yeah, like that. Same thing, application IDs, SAP application IDs.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Then, sir, a client
Okay.
administrator,
Yeah.
how we
Now.
can
Yeah.
move the
Just now
data
I got.
from one to another? Sorry.
Yeah. Just now I got the clear picture of that user administration because in our organization there is some team. Yeah. They will use some IDs right to log into the SAP and the password,
Yes,
and
yes,
they will connect to one
exactly.
server.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
that is exactly. The server, this is a server installation. After installation, you have to get the users request. Okay. Now you have to
Okay.
go for TMS curves. Means how we can draw data, move it from development to quality or quality to production. That's so you're using the TMS configuration.
Okay.
Okay. So after that, I think as a guy, as a like every 6 months or 1 year or a quarter or yearly visit companies, what we can doing as a kernel upgradation. Also, it's company specific. Why kernel is nothing but because you have to increase your own system OS health and your system health, so you're using as a kernel upgradation job.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
but for SAP software version, this is for OS level activity. Suppose now I have to upgrading as SAP one version to another version, then you can go for the support packages. So this is a SAP software version for one version to another version. And we have to how to apply the yes node, how to apply the patches, how to apply the support packages, how to apply support style, how to apply the third party tools, those kind of things.
Okay.
So
Okay.
using as a whole are you using any tool? Play with the latest version tool also there that we can calling as a some tool. Some tool is nothing but software upgradation manager tool. Okay.
Yeah.
Then after that, yeah. So then after that, what happened? So you have to go for support packages, so everything is there, that's fine. Then after that, so daily when you go for Means how you say my system is perfectly all right. How you can say? So you can performing as a doing as tuning. That is called as a performance tuning. The server is
Okay.
very fast or very slow. You can do it tuning. Again, after what are the things you are doing to it based on the OS administration? OS is what is it? Based on the chip utilization, based on the network utilization. This is it. Okay. Even you can checking as a backend also. That is a database administration. So in this course, you have to learning as a Oracle database or SQL database. Okay. So because of the around 5 days you're discussing the database concept. As you're discussing the
Okay.
architecture, so how you can take the backup, how you can take the recovery, so how you can take a restoring, those kind of stuff you can discuss database administration. Okay. So after
Okay.
that, so daily when you go for officer, so how you say my server is up or down? So based on the process administration, that is called as a process administration.
Mm.
Even here, suppose I want to getting as any load. So how to reducing as a load? So you can go for as a background job, that is called as a background job administration.
Okay.
Okay. After that, suppose sir, I want to buy is any printer. So how the printer configuration is done with our server. So that is called as a spool configuration.
Okay.
Sir, I want to communicate with the SAP with other software, then you can go for as a RFC, remote function call, one server to another server. Okay, suppose I want to go for start password, minimum length, maximum length. Okay, then we go for as a profile administration. So before you want any connection is making, any database is made, so you want to getting as a alert configuration. That is called as a CCM. So CCM is a central system monitoring alert configuration administration.
Hmm.
So that is also discussing. Like
Okay.
in this course, you're discussing as a totally 25 administrations you are discussing. Under basis, you have to, this is the headlines I'm taking. And the subtopics will be there.
Okay.
Okay. 25 administration and coming to practical
Yeah.
session.
Okay.
So you're discussing as a more than 150 transactions. What happened? More than 150 transaction practical session. You can say shortcuts. You're learning as more than 150 transactions you have to learn. Okay. So
Okay.
at coming to this course, so what are the things? I said everything is a hands-on experience, and you're providing the server access with the licensed version. So you access anywhere you can practice it. And daily, what are the PPTs and the case? What are the PPTs and PDF and even what are the document I'm providing? See here, what are the documentation? Even PDF. Okay, the PDF. What are the PDFs I'm explaining? SAP structure. What are the previous certification PDFs? Okay, everything you have to providing through mail ID. Okay, and every day what happened? Every day
Okay.
the
Okay.
classes will be recording. So video recording with the documentation. So everything you have to sharing it to your mail ID. Okay, even sir, if you want to real time
Okay. We will get the
issues,
recording also, right?
yeah, we get the recording also. Sir, if you want to get the real time issue,
Okay.
so daily, so I go for office, you say tickets. I think you help desk. As in you're getting daily tickets. So how we can get
Yes.
the tickets? Okay, that is
Yes.
called the case studies. See here, case study for installation,
Okay.
case study for TMS setup, case study for profile, case study for deployment, case study for sprint, user administration, everything. That is also you have to prove.
Okay.
Because if you want a real-time experience, so daily, this topic, what are
Yes.
the
Yes.
issues it's getting? So everything one by one. Those kind of setup also you can.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, this is also you are providing. And if you want to
Yes.
plan for any certification, you have to provide any certification terms. Means previous question papers, what are the questions will be the topic wise questions you are providing one by one.
Okay. Okay.
So these are the overview of this course and the document you have to work. Okay. This is it. So after this completion
Yeah.
of
Okay.
this, you have to plan require HANA administration. Again, HANA administration also you can discuss the topics. Okay. That is also same process. I'm going to
Okay.
teaching
Okay.
HANA administration also. That is all. Same thing. What are the installation type? Same thing is applied to HANA also. Same
Okay.
concept, but
Yeah.
the product is different. Installation, user maintenance, and everything. HANA installation,
Mm-hmm.
HANA user maintenance, HANA transportation, HANA client dependence, background job. Same topic, product is changed.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Shri.
Sorry.
Yes, I got the clear picture now. Means how the basis and HANA works currently.
Okay, now you have any queries for this oral topic? So once you have to go for demo, already have demo
Uh,
videos, and you have checked the course content. What are the topics you are covering? Okay, and I've said that these are the topic with this is a normal I've say headlines, but in clear picture is there in the course content. Okay, and check the server access. How many months you have? 2 months or 3 months or 4 months server access. And I say na, what are the document I had to providing as my own software also. So at that time, what will you
okay.
can install in a safe of your own machine, your personal laptop. Okay, that is also you're providing. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. Yeah, Sri.
Abhay, sorry, sorry, Abhinav, queries you have?
Hello.
Yeah, you have any other queries regarding other than this?
Yeah. No. Just you will send all the details right to my email now.
Yeah, yeah. You can send that who is scheduling a demo. Then just ask them. You can send the overall details to you. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Yeah. Just
So
and
the
your
sessions.
advice is
Yeah.
it's okay, right? We need to do SAP basis, and after that we
Yeah,
need
that is
to
compulsory. That
complete
is
the
if you
HANA.
want to, but some guys are saying is Hana because we know the SF. Just I'm saying clear picture, no, like a basis solution and it's like that. But some guys are saying you don't go, but it should be a compulsory. You have to go for basis with Hana based on your experience and best material everything.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because yeah, now I'm carrying the 5 years of experience. I want to learn this SAP basis and
Yeah, like we are
this
putting in the
HANA,
basis of 3 plus
so I
experience and
can move.
plus for 2 plus, like did you get putting?
Yes. Yes. So that's why. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Gotcha. So if they send me all the details, so I will speak with them more. Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay, fine. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Actually. Yeah. You're
Yeah,
welcome.
Abhinay, we'll
Thank you.
share you
Thank
all
you,
the
Shri.
details regarding the duration and fee, Abhinay.
A course content also you can share. Course
Yes.
content
Yes.
with
Could you please?
server access. Okay.
We'll do
Yeah.
that,
Thank
yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Server access. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Sure. Yeah. Just send it. Yeah.
This conference will now be recorded.